Like no other, every single week, we bring to you a special guest. This week, there's a name change, and there's a name change for a reason, which we're going to delve into a little later on in the show. Our special guest this evening is Ricardo Rawal, the Rawal One. Greetings, brother. And everybody knows he's not a stranger to the show. He's more like a furniture. Yeah, welcome, well forward again to the show. Fix your talkerphone for me, brother.
I want to say, Happy New Year's, for the first time being in the show.
On the 20th of February. Talking at the fire phone for me, please.
Yeah, Happy New Year's to everybody who locked on. You know the thing, I'm the Rawal One, I'm here representing. You know the thing, I'm on the Z, we're outside.
Cool, man. I mean, let's start it, because obviously everybody would have known you as Ricardo Rawal.
Yeah.
But we've seen a new change in the latter part of 2023? Or is it early January 2024? Rawal One.
2024. It's like my slogan has always been, is me, the Rawal One. Is it?
But something happened while we changed the name.
Yeah, what happened now? I just wake up one morning and I just see my Instagram page gone. I mean, I say, what
you mean by
it just hacked? Gone? It just gone. It just disappeared. And I receive a message saying that I'm inciting violence. And my content can be potentially misleading, and they've received several reports. So from then on, I appeal it, I haven't get it back. So I'm just say, you know what, sometime it's good to start over. Because funny enough, I had it in my mind, to kind of revamp everything which I was doing, because I realized, some people, they just around just to watch what you're doing. They not really support what you're doing. So like I was planning to take a part where I'm just working with people who is supporting what I'm doing, not people just watching what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? So with that happen, it was disheartening in a way, but mother say, you know what? I don't have a problem with starting over back, because sometimes you have to dust yourself off and go again.
I'll go back to the drawing board.
With that happen, does that push you more towards TikTok or more towards Instagram?
I find myself more over TikTok, but what is leading me towards is developing my own fan base, and I want to connect with them outside of like Instagram, like outside of TikTok. So moving forward, that's my plan, because I've learned a lot from that, because I lose a lot of contact. You see me, a lot of people messaging me and say, yo, what going on? I don't see it. So it teaches me, and I was thinking about it from before, because I went to a seminar, and I remember a lady was speaking about it. She was saying that we need to find other ways to communicate with people apart from social media.
Do you want to share the other ways why you want to contact with the fans with?
No, like for me, one of the best ways to connect with the fan is via email. Yeah, because if you got a fan email, like you and them can stay connected. You see me?
Right.
Yeah, because people don't often change their email.
Yeah. But like on social media, like what happened to me, anything could happen. And like, for example, she give us a scenario when she was talking about like why you need to like connect with people outside of your social media. Take for example places like Ukraine, of what happened there. People used to be like famous on these platforms. They no longer have a living because they don't have access to the internet.
Right.
You see me? Same thing like in this war-torn country. You see me?
Right.
Yeah, but in terms of email and that, you say stay connected. I know like a lot of people see a lot of email as junk email and as spam, because obviously in the world we're living in, it's so much subscription to so much different things, so we're getting bombarded with so many different type of emails.
Yeah, but when you use email, it's about how you deliver your message. You see me? So you come across. It's like even on social media, sometimes I always say I rather like do a video than sending a personal text, because sometimes some people, they just look past it, if you understand what I mean.
Yeah.
Or when them see a video, they'll probably open it and listen to what you have to say. You see me? So it's the same thing with like when you're doing with say for example, you're contacting people via email.
Yeah.
You see me? You just keep it short and simple and being polite.
So this is you developing your digital marketing skills. And Lovelisha, big up yourself. Thanks for joining us. She made a good point. Obviously, you would know who your fans are. So your contact list or your mailing list would be updated with those emails. So you're not gonna have, yes, you'd like to reach further people in the outside of the UK, outside of the Jamaican regular dancehall diaspora, for want of a better expression. Yeah. So you make sure that your mailing list is up to date.
Yeah.
And you have the correct email addresses that, you know, it will reach the people who it needs to reach to.
Yeah, definitely.
And I mean, it's a blessing and a curse in a way.
Definitely.
You said you lost your previous Instagram page. You did a lot of work on that page.
Yeah, I did a lot of work.
And 2024 or this current situation has provided you with the opportunity to start over, as you said. So we see different sides. Is that as a result of losing the page, or was different sides a project that you were already working on?
You know, the funniest thing, it was a project which I was already working on, and I lost my page at the same time when I dropped the project.
Oh, wow.
Nothing happens without reason.
Like I had to just laugh about it. You see me? Come here and say, yo, like, boom. My page was at on a level where I say, I'm gonna take my career to the next level, especially this year. Like my focus, which I've already made plans. I say, yo, this year I'm moving into a different direction. You see me? And then this happens. I say, you know what? This is what it is, man.
Yeah. So talk to us about.
Have you ever feel like losing a page is a malicious intention?
Yeah, I think so, because they said they received several reports
from your page, and and based on looking back at what you've posted and what it is, the work that you were doing then, can you identify anything that might be, it's just malicious people?
I never get any warning or anything.
It's just people who don't want to see a prospering girl.
Did you post anything inappropriate or get tagged into anything inappropriate?
No, I never receive any, like when I appeal a case that is something I wanted them to point out to me, which I haven't heard from
Where
them.
did you go?
Is it me like, I want you to tell me,
exactly,
say, yo, this is what I've done, because if I've done something, you're supposed to give me a warning.
Because obviously, like, somebody reporting a page about something, like, the Instagram have to go and review that page, knowing the rules of Instagram. Before they actually ban the page. But normally if you post something outside of the community guideline, they'll ban the page without saying.
Yeah, I understand.
That's why I'm asking, did you post anything that, what you call it?
Without the guideline.
What was outside. Any in a gray zone, like inside violence?
No, I never.
It's unfortunate, but we move on. You've got, as we say, we got this opportunity to start afresh, and we started 2024 with different size. Talk to us about this EP. How many tracks it has, and the reasoning behind doing the Different Sides project.
On this project, where I call it Different Side, I kind of show different elements of me in terms like musically, like each track and the track and the EP is different. Yeah. You see me? And so I call it Different Side. And for me, I just wanted to show. Sometimes, we as artists, we in our comfort zone, and we just stick into that zone because we do something and it works for us, so we just channel our energy in that zone. Well, for me, I wanted to always like try to show different elements of me, because I bring it back one track on their action, that's like a 90s dancehall style. You see me? Forgive me, I kind of show a more like I would being not say dark, but just on a side.
Kind of emotional.
Yeah. And then Different Side now is just me showing a side of me and say, yo, you know what? I've been nice all along, so now right now I'm on a different thing.
And you know, so all the people can relate to that track there. A lot of people, if you sit and you listen to it, a lot of people, a lot of things that you said, the regular man can relate to it. And I mean, 6 tracks?
Yeah.
6 tracks. 6 tracks on the EP. So, and how can people get through to listening to it? Where can they access it?
Like the track is out now on our digital platform, you see me? So, and your Apple Music, your Spotify,
how much
your YouTube. Huh?
What's the cost?
The cost? How much it again? But they remember how much it again?
Well, it's cheap.
It's cheaper than
cheaper than
All Star always say. Cheaper than a pint.
Yo, at the end of the day, like what keep it in like this lane, like grounded for like not singing the regular thing what they're singing about, like in Jamaica, and jumping on like the regular topics?
No, well, if you listen to my song, I kind of add some of the elements of what
the current topics.
You see me?
Yeah, I listen to it, but like, you know, like the regular topics what they're singing about. No,
current one.
Current topics.
The chopping.
Well, all right.
Not necessarily choppings, but like.
For me, I'm a type of person like this. Yeah, I don't always want to try to fit in with the crowd. You see me? I always trying to do my thing different. You see me? So I bring that within my music as well. I don't want to do what everyone is doing. Everyone is doing like chatting about trapping and all type of madness. You see me? But I just like, you know what? I'm taking a different thing. I'm sticking to my thing. Even with my performance. You see me? When you come on to me, I'm performing. my thing is different from a lot of people. A lot of people like to perform with audio tracks and even like the tracks playing and
they're singing over it.
For me, I don't like that. You see me? Like me, I'm a live person. I like listening to live music. You see?
So talk to us about that, because we saw that in the latter part of last year.
Yeah.
You were doing more. Is it? Most of 2023, we're doing mostly live performances, which is a good look. Like, that's something that I really want to see more UK dancehall artists doing. And obviously it gives an opportunity for musicians to showcase their talent and to be identified. So the avenue of you moving away, yes, you've been doing track shows, but you've mostly been incorporating live performances. You did was it your birthday party?
Yeah.
It was your birthday party last year. You had a live band. And for something else, you did a live band as well.
No, like in December.
In a studio with a live band as well.
Yeah. So that one in the studio, I kind of do that because that studio live session which I do is the way which I want to show where I'm taking my music. So at the latter part of the year in December, I done a show in Spice of Life that was in the West End.
Yeah.
Like, for me, I'm taking dancehall to a different crowd.
Okay.
Because, like, they never see something like what I was bringing. What I was bringing to that audience. So, come this Friday as well.
Yes, talk to us about that.
This Friday, I'm in Camden. And the lineup, like, is 4 of us performing.
Okay.
And the lineup is, like, you have indie pop, you have rock, and you got one R&B artist, and I'm bringing the dancehall flavor. So, it's like, when they approached me about that show, they was like, oh, we don't know how to market your type of music.
Right.
So I'm like, listen, man, you don't know, I'm the easiest person to market. Just put me in front of any crowd and we're going to convert them.
Right.
You see me?
So Ricardo, in terms of your craft and like the work they're putting in the UK, do you feel like, say, you are deserve to be on somewhere at the dancehall show them here or the reggae shows? Do you feel like say the work we are putting in, you should have been on more of them?
100%.
Why would you say that?
Like my performance speaks for itself. And no disrespect to some of the artists, them, even which I see like falling from overseas. Cause I go to most of even though I'm not on the shows, I'm there because I like to watch and learn. And them level of performance is not ready. Like so many artists in the UK right
Such
now.
as?
Huh?
Such as?
I don't really want to put on a man thing, but I'm just watching and learning, you see me? And I was like, a lot of them which I see come over and doing the thing, I don't think they're ready. Because I know artists in the UK right now, you put them out there.
Who can rock that stage.
They can rock the stage.
But Ricardo, performance is one thing, but they say content is another one. Because at the end of the day, if you can perform and nobody know your performance or know you as a
or the
as
catalog
artist,
of songs.
As an artist, then how would you get a chance to perform?
All right. You see, this way topic where you're forward for now is a topic where I'm strongly about, you see me?
Okay.
Because this is what I'm going to say now.
Okay.
In order for our community to grow, the DJs and the people them play an important role into that aspect of the thing. Like, not for the time, I go to shows, and like I see younger artists performing, and the people them, they don't want to hear them. It's not that they don't have the talent, or but they're saying, oh, we don't come out for UK artists. Well, at this, but when you do that, you stifle our thing, if you understand what I'm saying. And the DJs them as well, I don't think they take enough risk into when they're going out and playing the music, you see me? Because to me, the work which is putting in now by the UK artists, they should be rewarded, like getting more plays within the parties and stuff, which are going to help the music for grow.
Right.
But yes, you say that, and I have to say this. You say DJ don't take enough risks. But risk with what kind of reward? Because some of the time, not to be disrespectful, but the songs that UK is producing most of the time is forward from the regular juggling. So for somebody... For somebody to play a song that is not in the norm of the juggling, you're taking a risk as a DJ, but what you're taking that risk for? Could you explain that?
Jagan, for me, that is a cop-out.
Yeah,
you know
why the DJ should take that risk?
No, listen what I'm saying, that is a cop-out now, It's about creativity. So when you're going to say, the music which the artist them in the UK is producing doesn't go with Jamaica mix or whatever mix. I don't believe that.
No, not saying you don't go with it. The topic is different. The tempo is different. The flow is different. The vibe is different, right? And listen me as a DJ, you could find 1,000,001 old song we're not playing. You could fit in that space, right? For as a DJ, you're gonna take a risk with the unsure for a sure. And all I know, I'm asking you as an artist, why should a DJ take that risk? What's the reward for him?
The reward for it, alright. If a DJ take a risk on a song, and that song take off, the DJ is gonna get credited for that.
For what? Say me boss one song? So what's the reward? What's the reward? Oh, my boss the song?
So listen what I'm saying to you now, If that artist honest with himself and know say, yo, alright then, Dragon, like for example, Dragon boss all them did and I'm going on tour. The first person who me I think for bring is Dragon.
No. Hold on. At the end of the day, you're not talking facts because
I'm talking facts, brother.
Ricardo Rawal,
I'm speaking for me, brother.
Hold on, for you.
Yeah.
But I would say 99% of the business. If you're an established artist or you're artists who are up and coming, you have your own DJ already. So you're not going to undercut your DJ because hold on. Let me use Andre Fresh as an example. Say Andre Fresh boss this song. See? Let me use Prince Akeem and After Dark as an example. After Dark is Prince Akeem DJ. I'm not going to undercut After Dark and say, oh, because Andre Fresh bosses, me I go on tour, me I can't Andre Fresh. That's not right.
But watch this.
At the end of the day, you have to think, boy, what's the reward? Because remember, it's two sides to every story.
I'm going to show you a reward. Me can tell you a song, where I know one particular DJ, and me I go call him name.
Yeah.
You see Gangsta Kid, and Shanty Four song, Who Never Rate with Style. I can tell you, I see that with my own two eyes. Gangsta Kid was the one who put that song on the map and make a lot of DJs.
I don't even know that. What's the reward?
I tell you the reward. A lot of DJs make crazy money off that song.
What? Money pull up?
Crazy money.
Is that a reward?
Of course it's a reward.
When I'm a boss, how would I feel as a DJ? Me make everybody know about it, right?
Yeah.
But it so feel like, say, most of the party that man I get that little prime time the way him a play. That little party of the dance for him play that time there. And get all of the money pull up. And me say, me boss the song. How would I feel? So I say, what's the reward? What's the reward? Because at any idea, nothing is written in contract or in writing.
The reward for DJs in the UK when them play a song is for who can bust the dance. If when them bust the dance, them feel good. But what me I try to show you is this, bro. If we don't take risks and be creative, the thing now go, like the business now go grow. I
believe in taking risks. And Fire, let me just answer to Fire real quick. Fire, remember a DJ job is to play at the party and entertain the patrons, right? It's not about playing your friends' music. And because me and Ricardo Rawal a friend and me Akeem know my music, Ricardo Rawal have a lovely EP out. Shanty Force have some lovely song out. Prince Akeem have some nice music out. And at the end of the day, we have a thing in which we didn't know ourselves and say, yo, at the end of the day, is this song right now, is it fit the juggling we are going out of the mix? Because some of the time, some song where you're in some little mix you're in or some juggling, you say like, do I want a sure forward or do you want to take a risk and flip the coin?
Well, we can.
And more, I would say 80% of the time, I'm going to say, yo, sure it.
And we can flip the coin because there's another topic of discussion that is forwarding out of the comments. And obviously the question is directed to Dragon based on his statement. We don't have the time to go into this. And the question was asked by two separate individuals in two separate locations. It says, at the end of the day, no, it's like, what do you get from, what's the reward from UK DJs playing Jamaican yard songs? Two different people. You don't have to answer it no.
Hit song.
But then again, it leads back to a comment. Carlene Buzz, big up yourself. At the end of the day, it's about supporting the music where you are currently living. That's the reward. Assisting the artists, and this is how I look at it. Assisting the artists where we live.
Hold on there, and that's why we have platform like these and other platform out there. So we could turn some of these songs. Hold on, and people are people are misunderstanding some. Go ahead.
Hear me, I say Jagan. Me have this conversation and numerous times, and for me, what you say as a DJ is a couple. A DJ is supposed to be creative. Yeah. You see me? A DJ is supposed to be innovative. Yeah. You see me? And you are trying to tell me, that the artists them in the UK ain't producing any songs which you can take and fit into your juggling. You're supposed to, like, for example,
No, I'm not saying the artists.
No, I'm going to give you an example. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're supposed to can play a song, have a juggling a play, you can stop the juggling, talk to the people, and drop the song, and the song bust the crowd. But unfortunately, it's only few DJs in the UK. I see all of them DJs in the UK. Most of them, I call them YouTube DJs. Because I can tell every song what them are going to play behind each other. Because there's no creativity. Everyone follow each other. A few DJs in the UK when I see, when them juggle, I can say, yo, yeah. A lot of time here, I'm listening to the DJ playing. I say, yo, I could think about 3 more songs which could go in that mix. But yet still, because the DJ they played that way there and them get a forward last week, you forward back this week and I juggle the same way. But at the same time, there's many artists who do songs where can fit in at them same juggling there.
And I mean, and again, Ricardo Rawal, it's like if you fit in the juggling, right? It have to be on topic and it have to be on beat.
Bro, there's so many songs on topic and beat in the UK, brother.
So, and all I know, when I say on topic and beat, like to be fair, give the UK DJ them and the artist them my rate to them, respect one another. I Dragon. And when me talk this, and when me talk a while ago, when you think say yo, me talk because I post one is I'm being a devil advocate because it's two sides to every kind. Right? And me I say there's a lot of things where the artists them could be doing what's not be doing. What them not do. See? So an idea. We see how much little thing I go on the other day and we see so much rhythm and then we see what are UK everybody late panny. Everybody late pan certain thing and I say, yo, why?
Brother, you know me I got something more
last
something
20 seconds,
yeah,
this is your response and then
more something to you don't realize what happened? You don't realize say yeah? You see him UK dancehall where we fight for bill is getting taken away from us. Do you guys realize that? Because we sit down every day and we are talk about say yo, this the artists them now do this. Right now, the white youth them will take over, you know. Look, him that gone through the door. The next one named Extremes, I didn't know where he was until him forward back. The other day, Lewis, I Dexter that must call him on stage. And what them I represent? UK dancehall. But yet still, we who fight for billies now get the look in because guess what? Our community now support us. You see me?
I don't consider that as UK dancehall.
You don't consider it as it. You don't consider it as it. But you need to realize,
you have to look on the factor. Say it's a white man, the man Jamaica.
No, this I wanna always. This are the thing where people are talk about white man and whatever. Yeah. The thing is, is support.
Yeah.
In anything we do, if you don't have support, my bro, it ain't going nowhere. You see me? If you don't have support, it not going nowhere, my brother. And this is what we lacking, bro. The biggest support we get is during lockdown. And look how far the music reached then. So why did it stop?
That's true.
Again, I'm going to...
It shouldn't stop. And that's why we are trying here to kind of... But Ricardo Rawal, as an NID, you know, me have to be true dragon. Me have to talk about the fuck up thing them about it. As much as it pain me heart and hurt to talk about some of fuck up thing them about it. But if me not talk about it, you not going to talk about because over up on live show, no easy interview no go on over here. No sweep on the carpet. If I come out with talk say your album bad and beer things and whatever. We have to talk about something we want to fix up.
Next time, when does forward earlier, so we'll have a proper discussion. Because there's so many things to talk about.
There are so many things to talk about, and we're going to extend that conversation. We're going to extend the topic. Obviously, we have to redirect the conversation towards you because you're here to talk about your project and about your event that's happening on Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, Oscar, everybody, we see your comments, but time is quickly getting away from us. We are going to, as we say, we're going to bring this discussion over next week, and we're going to get some people involved. So talk to us about what's happening this Friday.
This Friday, I'm live at Fiddler's Elbow in Camden, performing with a live band.
What's the name of the band?
Like I kind of changed the name of the band. I rebranding. I haven't named them as yet. Still.
Ricardo Rawal 2024 rebranding.
You see
all right, then cool.
See I'm a logo. I switch up.
What a brand rename?
Class. You get what I'm saying, fam. So,
and what can your fans, ACs, and everybody look forward to?
No, listen. People, more on the forward out this Friday. People, more on the forward out this Friday at Camden Fiddler's Elbow. More into the room pack because guess what? We're up against rock. We're up against indie pop and we're up against R&B. So dancehall, you know, say we are bring the vibes.
Cool, man.
And the last show I perform like within that setting was Spice of Life, and that was in Soho Square. and the feedback which I get was amazing, man.
Cool, man.
Is
All right,
And
so
what can
Miss
people-
Rose Fire, all I know the panel live where I talk strong and say support UK dancehall. Make sure you go out and support Ricardo Rawal, because remember it's a dancehall event him a do, and him a represent dancehall over there. So no go on over there, cause support him. That's that. Wake up them something at the elbow.
Fiddler's elbow.
Fiddler elbow.
In
That's
Camden.
a Camden. So
Yeah,
go on
yeah.
over there. Remember elbow bit, you know.
And
Give them a nudge.
how can we get tickets to go to this
Well,
event?
ticket is online at Dice FM. You can go the link in my bio. My new Instagram. I go over
Which
TikTok,
is
Rawal One Rawal One underscore.
underscore
Again.
what?
Again.
Hold on.
Can't remember,
Wait, him
you
nervous. Him nervous. Take a sip
Yeah.
of your drink,
Yeah, all right.
and then repeat the Instagram page so people can
Alright.
start following that page.
Rawal One underscore again. You see me?
And this is the word O-N-E.
Eh?
RAWALONE underscore again. Cool,
Yeah,
man.
look, you see logo? If you
And-
see the logo, yeah, me.
And
You see
will
that
you be
logo, yeah,
selling
me?
merch? Is this new merch that's forwarding out? Is this
Alright,
something
you
that
know-
we're going into?
Yeah, it's something which I'm going to. This is just a sample which I get from the company which
Okay.
I'm looking to work with. So, as I'm saying, man, this year a different thing with the pod.
I know that time is we're pressed for time, but talk to us about the vision that you have for 2024, the projects that you have for 2024.
2024, I'm looking to do more visual, definitely, you see me? And also, I'm looking to start up a little program where I'm going to incorporate working with the UK artists who serious about, like, want to take the music to a different level, you see me? Yeah. So, if, like, I'm not just going to work with anybody.
Can you
I'm just
give us
work with
more
people.
information on that? How?
More information on that. Like I'm planning to do a thing. It's like a showcase, but it's called a mixer.
Okay.
So we're just gonna work. We're not do more than like 6 artists per episode. So that's what I'm working on.
Of forwarding shows.
All right, Rawal. So time is against us, but may I have to ask this? You mentioned M.Dot and the other white youth, then blah blah blah.
Yeah.
We fought through the gate,
Yeah.
and them I represent dancehall over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm just gonna ask, in your best knowledge, what them fought through the gate for? Fucker, right?
No.
No, fucker, because
No.
people was laughing at them.
No.
It's fuckery.
No. Them
what,
fall
good
through the
music?
gate. Them fall through the gate.
Good
because
music? May I
Them
ask you?
forward to the gate because they got support.
I'm asking you, was it fucker or was laughing? Was you laughing or not?
For M.Dot, yeah.
And the other youth?
No, hold on.
make him answer
For
question
M.Dot, yeah.
number.
He's been doing this thing long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
And also, he does like a content thing, he does like a cooking on YouTube, so he build up his fan base over there, you see me? And now,
When he
him
went to
drop a one, him go Jamaica and him do him
Do a
thing,
video.
and him drop a one song, look a freestyle, and the people him gravitate to it.
Why him that known for over here first thing? Because him
Brother,
that sing, hold on there. Because him not sing and people are laugh and I said, white man, how would the blood climb I do? Talk the truth.
Yeah.
But hold on,
yeah,
hold on, and we have to talk the truth.
Yeah.
But anytime the UK artists them hearing like a fucker them name or anybody, laugh towards when them a do or run a joke towards them, everybody getting them feelings. That's why nobody can read the bus, because I have an idea. Everybody is so fucking serious and uptight and close, because I have an idea. I'm very relaxed. Say what you want to say about me, running the joke you want to run about me. People make serious comment pan live, but laugh and chat with you. Never even pan live I disrespect nobody and say, oh, black that man because this is so, like, it's not that serious. It's
I
one
understand.
dancehall community, because I have an idea. We all support each other. You see, somebody tell me say I fuck with me a chat. Next week you might say, yeah, Dragon, I real thing you attack. And yeah, we have to understand this at one community, Ricardo Rawal. So me urge every artist out there. So some of the time, it's not about what you're boss for, because something have to highlight you if somebody see your message or see your work. You remember what you said to me, say, earlier on, if I asked them come here and them can't perform.
Yeah.
And why them come here? Because them get one liquor. Famous moment. Look on Big Dan. Look on Big Dan.
Because I tell the same community behind him. Enough artists in the UK have big
You think Jamaica did behind Big Dan?
His community was behind him.
Yeah,
His community was behind him.
Manchester.
I'm telling you,
Yeah,
brother.
I know his friends.
Brother, I'm
and
telling
they
you
were
from like
facts, yeah.
any,
So
every artist
behind
of me
you.
know.
Of another land behind you.
No, brother.
And
I'm telling you something. A big woman thing, yeah.
Yeah.
I get more love outside of my community than in my within my community. Brother, when I go certain places, like tomorrow, like on Friday, when I walk into Camden, I'm getting superstar treatment. Like the people and the respect what them show me, they make
On
me
a
feel like
different level.
I want to do this. But within my community, no. Like for example, Bar, I'm a resident. And not only me alone. I see so many artists come there every week and them all play them songs.
But Rawal, you have to understand this. So watch here now. And I think what people don't understand, say, yo, remember the people who you grew up with and who you know. Them
man, that's a
right, hold on now. Let me say this to you. Them now go treat you different. Like if me grow with you and you get rich, me treat you the same way. Me not gonna start treat you like a king or whatever.
No, it's a different. No,
I'm saying just like a community. So people who don't know you, because them don't know you, and them all say, yo, he's a star, he's a this, he's a that. And this artist don't understand. And people who blow up in my business don't understand. So like if I got Jamaica in my community, people who know me or whatever, them all say, yo, I see him like a boy.
No.
I think
Jagan,
we have to understand them thing, dog. And be humble in ourselves and be grounded.
Let me tell you something, Jagan. I feel like you see me the Jamaica,
yeah.
My community 100%. Everybody I roll out for me.
And
I don't know if it's a Jamaican thing within the UK community where we feel like say, yo, we not for support we own. But brother, we need to change that for 2024.